Well, I'm always preaching to you guys to show up exactly as you are. This is me showing up exactly as I am with my croaky voice and all. I hadn't planned on speaking at all today, but I just feel so compelled to do this live stream because I just saw a post there from Amanda Delaney, and she put it up this morning and I'm only seeing it now, and she was talking about my workshop, and she was saying that the one big thing that she took coming away from my last workshop is to stand in your own light and turn up every single day unapologetically, which is what I do. I've no issue with vulnerability on social media at all. But she also goes on to say in that post that she's aware that people are afraid nearly to go to the workshop on their own. Now, you know, when you don't own a characteristic, I just have never had any fear around doing things on my own or going to seminars on my own or anything like that. So it's not something that I personally experience. However, Amanda was saying that she was talking to a couple of people who really were afraid to to go. And my last client that I had last night up in Barlow House, it was the first time I met her, lovely woman, and I said, are you going to come to the workshop? I think it'd be great for you. And she said, I would go, however I'd be a bit afraid on my own. So this is a thing where people are nervous. Now, Amanda Delaney has very kindly offered to meet people in the lobby who are coming on their own, and that you can sit at her table. Now, Amanda said this to me, Charles Kennedy. She should have been in the doctor's for me collecting me other prescription. Do you want to say hi, Char?
Hello.
She minded our mammy all day today, didn't you, Char?
Yes, that's right.
So Amanda said that she was going to meet people in the lobby and bring them in to sit at her table, and I just thought that was one of the most thoughtful. It doesn't surprise me, it's Amanda. She drove from feckin' the other side of Dublin to come over and deliver propolis to my house the last time I was sick. She just does this. She just goes out of her way for other people, and that's the mark of who she is. So if you are on the fence and you have splinters in your arse thinking about it, jump off the fence, get the ticket, contact me, contact Amanda. I know Amanda will have no issue with me saying that. And make an arrangement to meet Amanda Delaney in the lobby. And she said she's going to wait out there until the last person comes in, and we'll help anybody who is stuck. And my staff are off the charts. My staff are amazing. You will be met with open arms, and you will be so welcomed. And another thing that I'm going to do, and I've never done this before, and I'm going to do it this time, I am going to create a group directly after the workshop, because there's nothing worse when you're trying to do all this work on your own, when you're doing spiritual development or personal development on your own. There's no feeling like it when nobody else around you understands what it is that you're doing, and you're nearly selling it. You know, you're trying to sell sand to the Arabs. They don't want it. They don't care. But this way, in the private group space, you will be in a private room online that you know you were already in a room with, that are doing the work. So if you want to bounce ideas or have questions, you can ask each other. I'm all about building the tribe and building the community, and I think it's a brilliant idea to do that. So get your ticket, get it sorted. Let's kickstart off the 2019. I had to cancel a speaking event today, or for tomorrow. I had to cancel it today, reschedule it actually today. I was supposed to be speaking tomorrow, and I just know I'm not going to be able to. I wouldn't be able to. So I have to get this sorted by next week, okay? Another thing I was going to say, yes, I have launched a business bundle for businesses that if they want to buy tables of 6, that they get a complimentary ticket. But the same goes for you and your mates. If you have 5 pals and you want to bring them along, there's a complimentary ticket there for people who want to do that. Cheryl Lawden, hiya Cheryl. Oh God. I'm coming on my own from England, so don't be afraid, just do it. My friend is joining me when I get to Dublin because she loves me. Cheryl, I'm not joking, I can't wait to meet you. Cheryl, people can sit with Julia and me because we don't know anyone else yet. Cheryl, you're an angel. You're an absolute angel. Nicola Hines, hey Nick, missed the start, look back. Yeah, look back, Nick, from the very beginning. I'm going to crack on. I need to get home and take these new meds, and I won't be able to do live streams over the next couple of days unless this throat clears up. So keep liking, keep sharing the video, the promo video. Did you see the testimonials? Oh my God, my video guy sent me that as a little gift. I had seen him doing it on the night, but I hadn't heard what people were saying, and to hear what people were saying after the event, I was so touched. I was crying and all. Do you want to say slán to her?
See ya.
Do you want to say anything? Have you anything to say?
Not really.
Not today? No. You'll have to think of stuff that you want to say.
No.
You're good on these live streams, Char.
Yeah, I know, but like I don't know what you're talking about because I just hopped in.
Okay, no problem. Listen, lads, take it easy, and we'll see you Saturday week for the workshop. Slán.